no grasp on life and return these left face down. Mutual decisions will lead to our breakdown. To be honest, wish you never left, so I say now. Still see the image of you walking away and it's frozen in my mind. Often I pray that the pain I endure would just leave me be. It's easily sought out for a pain so deep I can't move now. I don't wanna walk alone, I hold the phone knowing if I call you're gone. I see your face in the mirror every time I wake up. A love so sweet, bitterness had its way with us. I can't place the blame on just you. I admit it, I have faults, refrain from doing anything and everything. I promise I wouldn't, but I fell in love again. But I honestly couldn't hold my head high. And I walk alone. And I walk alone. You were right from the start. You were right from the start. You were right in the end. You were right when we fought. I thought you liked other men. I'll admit it, I was jealous. I had reason to be, but I let it happen. Even though I knew eventually you would bite me on my ass and do it again. Said you don't want to do it cause we would lose it as friends, but we did. It was more my decision than it was yours. It's like I should have learned my lesson enough before, but I can't. I say I will, but I won't. Cause soon as I see your eyes, the feelings come rushing back, and I'm back in the same seat. Anytime I hear your voice or someone say your name, I